Computer interaction. Today, I will be presenting about computer and several important aspects related to them in today's digital era. Computer play a major role in our daily life from education to the professional world. This presentation will be cover the following main topic: hardware component, software component, networking, and the internet, emerging technologies, cybersecurity, data management within clouds, databases, data security, data analysis. Through this presentation, I hope to provide a better understanding of how computer and technology shape modern life and super various fields. Next slide. Hardware component, Central Processing Unit or CPU. Central Processing Unit or CPU is the core component of the computer responsible for the executing program instruction. It is often referred to as the brain of the computer because it controls and management most operation with the system. The CPU processes instruction using high-speed internal circuits and work in the coordination with memory and input or output device. Its performance is typically measured in gigahertz, indicating how many instructions it can process per second. Memory or RAM and storage. RAM, random access memory, is the type temporary memory that stores data and instruction the computer is currently using. It allows fast access and smooth multitasking but is volatile, meaning is the content are lost when the computer is turned off. Storage refers to permanent memory where data application and the operating system are saved. Common types include HDD or hard disk drive and SSD solid state drive. Unlike RAM, storage is not volatile, so data remains even after the power is off. Next, software component. Software component are the individual parts or modules that make up a software system. Each component is designed to perform spec function and work in coordination with other components to ensure the system runs efficiently. This component may handle tasks such as user interaction, data processing, communication with hardware, or managing system research. Software components are typically reusable and maintainable, which help developers build, update, and scale applications more efficiently. Networking and the Internet. Networking refers to the connection of the two or more computers or devices to share research, such as files, printers, or internet access. Network can be small, like a local area network or LAN in a home or office, or large, like a wide area work atau WAN that span cities or countries. The Internet is global networking or interconnected computer that allow users to access and share information from anywhere in the world. It uses standardized communication protocols such as TCP or IP to ensure data is sent and received correctly. Next, data management. Database atau SQL. A database is an organization collection of data that allow for easy access, management, and updating to work with database. We use software called a database management system atau DBMS. Example of DBMS includes MySQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. Next, data security. Data security refers to protect of digital data from unauthorized access, corruption, or theft. It involves using tools and techniques such as password, encryption, firewalls, and antivirus software to keep information safe. Next, data analysis. Data analysis is the process of analyzing data to find patterns and truths that help make better decisions. It uses methods like statistical analysis and machine learning to improve business operation, customer experience, and decision making. Next slide. Emerging technologies or AI. Emerging technologies refer to new and developing technologies that are expected to have the significant impact on industries, business, and society. These technologies are often in the early stage of development or education adoption, but have the potential to revolution how we work, live, and interaction. Example, including artificial intelligence or AI, which action automation and decision making, blockchains for sure, and the transparent transaction, quantum computing, which could transform data processing power, and 5G technologies, which promise faster and more reliable internet connection. Cybersecurity definition: cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting system, networks, and data from digital attack. Main goals: cybersecurity ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Common threats: malware, example virus, ransomware, phishing attack, or DDoS, distribute denial of service. Impact on society. Impact on society. Education. Computer essence access to knowledge, online learning, and digital educational tools. Workforce. Automation and AI improve efficiency but may also displace certain jobs. In the communication, social media and email have the transformation of people interact. Lifestyle. Technology shape shopping habit, entertainment, and healthcare service. Social challenge, digital divide, data privacy constraints, and technology education. Thank you. Project English 2. The topic is hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to all the physical component of the computer system such as the keyboard, monitor, CPU, and mouse. Categories of hardware. Input device. Device used to enter data into the computer, example keyboard, mouse, and scanner. Output device. Device that show the result of the computing processing. Example, monitor, printer, or speaker. Processing device are the process and calculate data. Example, CPU and GPU. Storage device, part that store data permanently or temporarily. Example, hard drive, SSD, or USB. Next slide. Definition: input device. Input device are tools that allow user to send data or command to the computer. These devices are essential for interacting with the system. They convert action like typing or clicking into digital signal that the computer can understand. Example, keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, webcam, and touchscreen. Definition: input device. Input devices are used to display project or play the result of the computer process. After the computer process input data, the results are sent to output device so user can see, hear, or print them. This device help us understand and use the information processed by the computer. For the example, monitor, display visual, printer, printer document, speaker, play sound, projector, enlarge the screen. Next slide. Definition: processing device. Processing device are the components responsible for analyzing and executing interaction. This device handle all tasks given to the computer from running program to performing calculation. The two main types of processing device are CPU, Central Processing Unit, often called the brain of the computer. It performs calculation and control all other components. GPU, or Graphic Processing Unit, specialist in processing image, video, and animation. very important for gaming, design, and video editing. Next slide. Definition storage device. Storage devices are used to save digital data for short-term and long-term use. This device store everything from document and photo to software and operating system. There are two main types: primary storage, like RAM, which is fast, but temporary data is loaned when the computer is turned off. Secondary storage, like hard drive or HDD, and solid state drive or SSD, which store data even when the computer is off. Example: HDD, SSD, USB flash drive, memory card. Next slide. Internal hardware component. Important internal component. Motherboard. Mainboard that connect all computer parts. Power supply. Supplies electronic to all components. 3. Cooling fan. Keep the computer cool and prevent overheating. Next slide. External hardware. Printer, webcam, speaker. Printer. Output document or image onto paper. Webcam. Capture device. Capture video or image for online use. Speaker. Output sound from the computer. Next slide. Conclusion. What is the hardware? Hardware refers to all the physical components of the computer, including both internal and external parts. Why is hardware important? Without the hardware, software cannot run. Each hardware component plays a key role in making the computer. 3. What should we do? We should learn the function of each hardware part, take care it properly, and choose the right hardware based on our needs. Next slide. Thank you for the presentation. See you next time.